Hey, this is Matt from Worldwide Hair Transplant. We help regular people get high quality hair transplant packages abroad. Safely, affordably, no guessing, no gambling, just the right place, the right way, and here's how we make it happen. We don't just point you to a website, we connect you with a clinic that we've personally used ourselves. And for me, the trust started from the very first conversation I had with the contact person from the clinic. She was amazing. I'm not just the owner, I'm also a client. I've been through it and I know exactly what works. I can help you do it safer, cheaper, with results that you'll absolutely love. I did it and you can do it too. Going overseas for a hair transplant was one of the best moves I've ever made. My only regret was not doing it 15 years earlier. So that's why I tell people don't waste time like I did. I've already done the hard part. I've found the right clinic. And when you see the value they offer, it's a no-brainer. We walk you through everything. No per graft charge, no hidden fees. It's an all-inclusive hair transplant. One price, maximum hair grafts. I'm like every other guy. I got 4,500 hair grafts. You do the math. You've seen US prices. You can see how absolutely crazy that is. We'll guide you through getting your visa, packing, what to do, what not to do. You can go on a budget or you can go full luxury. Our gold medal package places you at the Ritz-Carlton Hotel. And when it's done, you'll see exactly why I believe in this so much.